I'm telling you, Teresa. Pull your investments out now. And let's go back to Korea, please. Before I lose control, because I swear I will kill the bastard.
I gave you every opportunity, and you wasted all of them. And now you want me to treat you like an equal?
We are equals. We always were. But now, you even talk to me like I work for you.
This is not Korea. Here, respect is earned.
He could fight and keep up with the older wives. And while things were chaotic, even if it was just a simple strike with a blunt object or a blow to the head, he never hesitated.
Ibig sabihin, maaga siyang namulat sa karahasan.
Exactly. He was different when he took a hit. That's why when I received the photography you sent, there was no doubt. I recognized him immediately. He's that kid. He's that boy.
I've told you many times on exactly how you can put yourself in Verdugo's radar. And you ignored every single one. So if you can't prove yourself, then yes, you can go back to Korea. Dead or alive, it won't matter to me.
Matagal na siyang nasa sindikato. Yung sinasabi mo nung bata pa. Bakit hindi lumalabas yung pangalan niya doon sa files namin? Hindi kaya iba yung pangalan niya?
His name is Nadir. His fake name.
Ano yung pangalan niya?
Kang Dae-yun.
Ito siya eh. Pero in Korean, pwede translate? Drug suspect gone missing after police raid.